Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a Costa Rica tourist visa if you really have to. Before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the website of Embassy of Costa Rica. So here you can check your travel eligibility. So country of origin of birth, let's say you're from India. Do you have permanent Canada? Because I have opened Canadian Embassy website. You can open as per your local location too. Do you have a valid multi-tourist visa for US and Canada? So I select yes. Then you don't need a visa to go there. Okay. You can 30 days and extend up to 90 days. Passport of this better. But let's say you are currently in Canada on a single entry visa. Then what's gonna happen? Then you need a visa. Okay, so that means if you are an Indian national and you don't have like US, Canada, and some Schengen countries visa as per their conditions, then you need a visa. So how you can apply? Okay, let's go through the links one by one. Visa requirements. Okay, but how you can apply? We are going through that. In person, you have to go. Must be sent prior to appointment. So before you go there, you need to send the appointment. Now, this particular requirement can vary based on consulate or your location. But here, if you're going, you need to get an appointment and you need to send to this email account that they have given for initial evaluation. If you do that, the visa is going to be stamped on the same day of appointment once you present the original document. So it's good that on during the interview itself, you can be aware of your reason. So what are the things you need? Letter of application addressed to, okay, wherever you're applying. You need to include your name, nationality, passport detail, place of residence, reason for travel, estimated length of stay, date of arrival, departure, profession. They've given the information. Flight ticket, valid criminal record certificate, proof of payment of US 30 to consular visa. Okay, this is how you're gonna do. Valid passport, financial support information. Now, if consulate want, they can ask for other information too. Passport size photo, schedule an appointment by emailing, okay, and then you have to go there. Now, uh, so in the previous appointment section, although we selected passport or registration, we did not see anything for like visas. What they are saying that you can do it by sending email. So you can email them and contact them to book an appointment. So this is the visa form. Photograph side is given. This is for official use, so don't worry about that. Your name, birthplace, date of birth, age, nationality, marital status, profession, passport detail, and some basic information. They haven't asked much information. They have also given English translation, so nothing to worry about. And at the end, signature. It's very simple. Let's summarize. If you need, book an appointment, fill the form, passport size photo, payment. You have to go valid passport, financial information, and you have to write a letter also addressing the consulate along with the information they have asked, round trip ticket booking, and a criminal record certificate, criminal record certificate. So with this, or you can say police record clearance certificate. With this, you can go there. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.